Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly product spotlight, where we highlight one of the awesome products we have available online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. You are looking at my favorite 1 ounce silver coin of all time. Yes, I said it. It is the 1 ounce Austrian Philharmonic silver coin. It is my favorite for a bunch of reasons, and I'll go through those in just a second. But do you have them? Do you want them? Do you like them? Do you dislike them? Post a comment below because we always like to hear from you. This is the reverse side, and I have a bit of a musical background, so that's why, well, number one reason why, or the first reason why, I love the Austrian Philharmonic coin, because it's depicting right here the Wiener Philharmoniker, translating to the Austrian Philharmonic, or the Austrian Philharmonic Orchestra. So right here, if you can see, I'll get as close as I possibly can. You have a cello right there, you've got violins, violas, you have a French horn on the left there, a harp on the right there. So it's just, and it's very simple and sleek design. So I love the musical background, the musical nature of the coin. And on the other side, right here, just again, it's just a beautiful, sleek and smooth design. You have Republic Österreich, I think that's how it's pronounced, of course, Republic of Austria, and 1 ounce fine silver, 2022, and worth or denominated in fiat dollar value of 1.5 euro right there. And that's the second reason. It's just a very smooth, a very sleek design. It's not too much going on, if that makes sense. I love how they've filled the space with just enough, but they've left enough space so you can see the wonderful, I wouldn't call it a mirrored finish, but it just works for me. I can't really describe it. But the other thing I can describe is I love the non-reeded edge. You see how it's nice and smooth? And most coins, they have little lines on them. That's called reeding. And that was actually a security feature, and now what you call a very old school security feature. Now they're still on the gold, but they don't do it for the silver. And I just love the smooth silkiness. It's cool to hold one of these coins and just go like that, and you don't feel the reeded edge. It's just nice and cool. Again, sleek, smooth design, and that's another reason why I love it, the non-reeded edge. So musical background, smooth design, non-reeded edge. And there's another reason why I love it, because when you buy them in the tubes, you get this particular tube. And I don't think I've seen, in my opinion, a better tube than the Philharmonic. Now, I know it sounds funny to get excited about tubes, but when you've been in the bullion business a long time, or if you stack a lot of stuff, you kind of get invested in the tubes as well. And as tubes go, they're actually just really cool. I love the red top. I love the security feature that they have here. Of course, they come sealed as well. And it's just a great looking tube. So are you a tube enthusiast? If you're a tube enthusiast, post a comment below. What's your favorite silver coin tube? Of course, I love the maples as well. I'd say the maples are my second favorite design of silver coin, but Philharmonic #1 for sure. And tell me what your favorite silver coin is, and give me a reason why. Pop a comment below. So that is it, the 1 ounce Austrian Philharmonic silver coin, available online or over the counter at the Brisbane and Melbourne stores. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for choosing Ainslie.